Yo, what is going on, guys? It is CryptoZerp, and today I'm bringing us a new video, and this video is going to be about passive income and how to get it on a new exchange called kuCoin. kuCoin has some huge hype behind it. It's a new exchange, almost brand new. A lot of YouTubers, a lot of crypto YouTubers are talking about it right now, so I thought I would talk about it because it does have a lot of potential, and it's easy to get some passive income with this site. Because they are, bringing out some new coins that aren't really big yet, and they have a lot of potential to grow. So hopefully you guys all enjoy this video, and let's get right into it. Alright, so we are on the kuCoin homepage. It's a very cool, sleek design they have on the site. I really like it. But here's all the coins they have, or these aren't all the coins, but these are like their top profit, I guess, top profit coins. They do have Roblox, which is one of the main coins that everybody's going on the site for. It's growing huge right now. I definitely recommend investing into that if you guys are getting on the site. They also have Red Pulse. They have, I don't see it on here, but they also have Dragon Chain, which I know is going huge right now. They just have a lot of cool coins that are just now starting up. A lot of these coins are brand new, like they're just now starting. So they have a lot of room to grow. And a lot of the reasons why people are coming to kuCoin is because they have a lot of coins that other exchanges don't have. Like Roblox, you can't get basically on any other main exchange besides kuCoin. And with that said, kuCoin doesn't have a lot of coins that other exchanges have, but they have a lot of brand new ones that a lot of don't have. Here's all the coins that kuCoin has. They have Red Pulse, like I said. They also have the main ones like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Roblox, like I said, 6th. They also have the kuCoin shares, which is their own coin. Let's see. Here's the Dragon Chain coin that I was talking about. That's going pretty big right now. But a lot of these are just new coins, and you can see their market caps are really low. So they're just now starting out, which is really cool, which is why I'm getting in on this, because there's a lot of new coins that have a lot of potential to grow. Now, the main reason why I want to talk to you guys about this is the whole passive income part of it is their coin, kuCoin shares. What is kuCoin shares? It's basically kuCoin's coin, and every time a transaction is made, if you own a kuCoin coin, or kuCoin share I should say, if you own one of their coins, you get a percentage of that transaction. So every transaction that is made, you get a percentage of it. Now, of course, it changes depending on how much you own, but it can scale up or down as like on how much you guys own. But for example, if you put in $10,000 in kuCoin shares, you're getting a certain percentage of every transaction that goes through. So what does that mean? That means if kuCoin as a company grows, as their exchange grows, more people use it, the more profit you guys are getting. So as they grow, you're growing too. And as you can see, here's the chart. kuCoin came out a couple weeks ago, and it's already staggered all the way up here. It's growing super fast. It was like $2 a coin 2 weeks ago, and now it's $20 a coin. Like, it's insane. It's just growing in huge amounts. And that's the main reason why I wanted to talk to you guys about this, because I want you guys to get in on this early, because it's not even at any means, it's not going to stop here, guys. I'm telling you guys, it's going all the way skyrocketing, and that's because I feel like this kuCoin has a lot of hype behind it, and a lot more people are going to be using this exchange, and if they do, it's going to become one of the main exchanges like Binance, Bittrex, like the name brand ones that are going huge right now. And I really feel like this can go huge, and that's why I want you guys to get in on this. So what I would recommend is you guys get some kuCoin shares, and get a decent amount of them, and when kuCoin goes up as a company, you'll make some profit. I also have this site. This is just the predictions and the forecasts of kuCoin, and they're all straight up diagonal lines. So that's a really good sign to buy in on this, guys. Like I said, this is just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, but I definitely recommend you guys get in on this. And if you guys don't mind, use my referral link if you guys are going to sign up. I use somebody else's referral link when signing up, but a lot of YouTubers are talking about this, so I feel like it can grow really fast. So definitely get in on this, guys. If you guys have any questions about the site, leave a comment below. I'll try to answer it. And if you guys liked the video, please leave a like and make sure you guys subscribe. And hopefully you guys all enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.